So ranchers and farmers ask, what is the mode of action of Rhyzogreen? That's a good question. Let me explain in as simple terms as I can to help you understand clearly the how and the why. The Rhyzogreen liquid is applied in a foliar method onto the leaf, where it is very quickly absorbed and transferred rapidly to the roots of the plant. The roots then release it into the rhizosphere or the root zone. That is where the activity starts to happen. What we're doing is stimulating life beneath the soil. We're hyperactivating and stimulating the microbial communities within that rhizosphere. Tied into that is mycorrhizal fungi, which are like communication channels where they're able to pull nutrients from other areas further afield than that specific rhizosphere or root zone. So what we're doing essentially is driving the activity of the life of the microbes in the soil, and they in turn release the nutrients that are naturally occurring in the soil that are up till then locked up and not available to that plant. Once it's released, those nutrients are then absorbed through the root zone into the plant. That in itself drives the plant growth, the plant resilience, the yield, and of course, as Mother Nature has it, you have the nutrient cycling with a healthy plant, healthy soil ecosystem. So essentially, no different to feeding the bugs and the fungi in the rumen of a cow, helping that cow to better break down the forages into usable, available form. We're doing the same thing in the soil. We're feeding the microbial communities and the fungi in the soil so they in turn can break down the available nutrients and make it usable to the plant.